Garlic, known for its potent medicinal properties, is not only a popular kitchen ingredient but also a traditional remedy used for millennia. It contains numerous active compounds, with allicin being the most significant one released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Garlic is also rich in vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, B vitamins, including B6, manganese, selenium, and calcium. The health benefits of garlic are extensive. Thanks to allicin, garlic is an effective natural antibiotic that can help fight bacterial infections. Research suggests that regular consumption of garlic can help lower bad cholesterol levels, support heart health, and improve blood circulation. Garlic may also help boost the immune system, making it especially useful during the colder months when the risk of colds and flu is higher. The antioxidants in garlic can contribute to protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, thereby promoting overall health. However, garlic can also have some side effects. Consuming large amounts of garlic can cause digestive issues such as heartburn, gas, or bloating. Some people may also be allergic to garlic, leading to rashes or breathing problems. Another aspect is the intense smell of garlic, which can linger on the breath or skin after consumption. In the kitchen, garlic is incredibly versatile. It is used as a staple seasoning in many cuisines worldwide, from Italian to Asian. It can be chopped, crushed, or roasted and added to sauces, soups, marinades, and baked dishes. Garlic oil is also popular and can be used to flavor dishes. Roasted garlic has a sweet and mild flavor and can be spread on bread or added to various recipes to enhance the flavor. Thus, garlic is a valuable addition to a healthy diet due to its health benefits and wide range of culinary uses. When consumed in moderation, it can be an excellent tool for supporting health and enhancing culinary experiences.